Hello everyone, friends. You're on the Whaler channel. Today I'll show what to do if Windows doesn't detect your second monitor. First of all, I'd recommend checking the cables since 99% of second monitor detection problems are simply due to incorrect connections or damaged cable ports. So the cable is usually the culprit. If you're sure everything's fine and it works when connected to another device, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. There. After confirming your cables are good, click the Identify button or simply click Detect. Yes, your second monitor should appear. If that doesn't help, another option is to update your graphics card drivers. Click on we need to open the device manager. Here. Find your video card here. Right-click Update Driver, browse my computer, let me pick from a list. Select the driver and click Next. After reinstalling the drivers, the second monitor should be detected. This has been Whaler. Goodbye everyone.